Hello there, I'm Tina, the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, then thanks for joining us today. I do haul videos, plan with me videos, how-to videos, and anything to do with planning really. And today, as you can see, I've got a haul video. Now all I've done is cut the box open, and I have taken the packaging out because that really annoys me when I'm doing that on video. So I've already taken the packaging out. Now this is from Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Planner website. This is an order I've really been waiting for. I am not going to be using it for a little while, but it's my 2022 planner. So I am going to take it out. I've just put this on here because it's got my dress on it, so I just wanted to share it with you. I haven't unpacked it. I haven't actually unwrapped anything. So I just ordered two things. I was really good. There was lots of stickers that I wanted to order and things like that, but I didn't. I just ordered two. So I ordered this lovely cover, but let's look at the planner first. Or no, let's look at the cover first. Why not? So this is a cloth cover, which I really like. And I'm probably going to get myself some black metal discs, which I thought would be really nice. And I haven't actually used a cover in my planner this year. I've just been using it with the plastic sort of cover on it. And I just really liked the idea of this sort of like cloth material. I thought it was really nice. The only thing, I wish they'd have put like a pocket on the inside. That would have been nice, but I probably got some like sticky pockets I could use. I just really liked it. I like the look, and I'm probably going to go with black. I suppose gold would go okay, but I'm probably going to go buy some black discs to go with that. So that is the snap-in soft planner covers, and there's all different types on their website, so you'll be able to see them. Now this is actually a Christmas present, so I'm going to put that back in the wrapping after. And this is the planner. So this is the planner I chose. Beauty is all around, and one of the reasons why I've chosen it, it is the vertical layout, and it is from January, 12 months, as you can see. Now I haven't unwrapped it at all yet, so I am going to take it out. But one of the reasons why I chose this one was that there isn't a lot going on. There isn't a lot of decoration inside, and because I do decorative planning, I want it to be as plain as possible so that I can put my own decoration on there. But what I did like, I just really liked the colours. Let me take all this off. I just really liked the colours, and I don't think I'm ever going to go without having a Happy Planner. Oh, I like that rose gold. Well, I do. I've probably got some rose gold discs somewhere. I've got so many. Yeah, I think I have. I could use rose gold. I don't know. I quite like the idea of using black, actually, because I think it will look better with the cover. Oh, that's yeah, so I'm taking all this off. I am gonna, because this is a present that my husband's gonna give me for Christmas, so with my dirty fingerprints all over it already. Okay, so you can see my camera there on the shine, but isn't this pretty? This is really pretty. I really like this. So let's take a look inside. Again, I'm just going to cut this. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you have already picked your 2022 planner. And so what we've got Hi Beautiful, this planner belongs to, and then obviously I'm going to put my name. I really like the simple, like the lines, just the simple colours. This is quite nice. This is a bit different as well from previous years. Like you've got the two, these sort of two bits here as well. So this is a bit smaller, and I can bring my, let me bring, oh sorry, I'm just reaching over to get my, so that's this year's planner. This is the one I'm using. So that's the sort of thing I've got going on for this one. And you can see here that the calendars are a little bit smaller, and I very rarely actually use these for anything, but I like the idea that it's got this little bit. And again, very simple. The colouring is very, very simple. I just love this. I love the grey. And again, not a lot of design going on. So it's very plain. And goes straight into the end of 2021. And then as you can see, these are just very plain and simple. No colours on it at all. I love that, and that's what I sort of tried to go with this one as well, like this year's one. Let me find something. Let me find one that's not filled in. Here we go, like in November. Look, so here it has got a little bit of design where you've got the to-dos and that, but again, this was quite simple, and I like it like that. I like it plain. So that I can put my own design. And I love that you've got the dot grid on this side now, and the little sort of list thing down the bottom here, so I can use this more. It's easier to line up stickers, and it's very simple sort of month on the top there. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Really nice. I really like the designs on this one, and I could possibly go with the rose gold here, because the foil is definitely rose gold. The only thing is the cover. I really want to use the cover, and I think black would still go. It would still go just as well. So again, so we're not going to look at each page. These are all the same. So as you can see, look, they're all the same. But now look what we've got. Beauty is all around. Yeah, I'm loving these. They're sort of like muted tones, but just really, really nice design. So that's March. What have we got for April? Surround yourself with beauty. Again, just two-tone. I love that. I love that. May, the world is too big to stay in one place. Very pretty. And then June. Oh, isn't that nice? Grow with love. Yeah, I really like that one. That's very pretty. How rare and beautiful you are. July. Oh, look. I love this sort of design. I'm really into this. Yeah, find the beauty in simplicity. I've got some artwork of mine that's like this actually. Some of the animation that my company produce is very similar to this. Very nice. Oh, isn't that gorgeous as well? September. And then October. Take time to be proud of how far you've come. I love that. Oh, that's good. Enjoy the little things. And December. Very pretty. Well, I am really, really excited to get planning in this. You've got a little notes page at the back. Always happy to get happy planners. I love happy planners. So I'm going to give these both to my husband so he can go wrap them up for my Christmas present. Thanks for joining me for this quick haul. I hope you like my 2022 happy planners. I've got a couple more ideas. I'm going to get another. I'm still using my Daily Duo, so that will be the other one that I use, and that starts again in January. I've got the second one that starts in January, and I've also got one more planner that I'm thinking of buying. I'm doing some research on it, and I will let you know if I decide to do it. So obviously I'm going to share it with you. So hope you enjoyed that quick haul. Let me know what planner you're using. My name's Tina. I'm over on Instagram at The Thankful Planner, and on Facebook at The Thankful Planner. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd love it if you subscribed and join us and join in some chat with me. Thanks again. Have a good night. Bye-bye.